Well, this COVID 202, like I told you, 52, 16 years of retirement, maybe 18. Have some other assets saved up. Married to, dating 2 fiancés, but one for 6 years, one for 4 years, but it never worked out. Now I'm thinking, hey, what am I gonna do now that I'm 52? Should I get married? Should I just have that open relationship? Should I get a girlfriend? So those are some of the thoughts that are running through my head. And nope, not gonna get a dog. It's so sad. COVID has just made people just freak out. If I see one more grown man with a dog, one more couple with a dog, I'm gonna like go jump off a bridge. But that's telling you that they have no communication skills. They're just giving up, man. They cannot interact with any person on a higher level. So go talk to a dog. Dog won't talk back to me. Dog won't realize I'm stupid, haven't accomplished anything, or I've quit. He's just like, oh, feed me, and then be done with it. So that's what I wanted to talk about on that one. But I wanted to just do a quick video review. I've seen some of you guys looking at my videos, and I've seen you looking at my paying off my car loan video. I've seen some of you looked at my March 2017, where I had my student loan was above 80,000. Well, let you know right now. As of today, that student loan that was about 78,500. When I placed that ad on 2017, it's down to $26,900. Now that's what you should be asking, Martin. How did you get that done? Watching my videos, that's not going to help you, man. All I can do, you do what you watch these videos, is like you can build the confidence that, hey, he had a student loan that was $94,117 in 2014. That's down to $26,900 in 2020. They even paid that student loan down in the midst of COVID. So if I could keep paying that loan down in COVID, you think you could pay a little more money on your student loan and you don't even have to pay it off. Just get it reduced. And then I have my car loan. Some of you have been watching, want to pay off my car loan quicker one. Yep, I paid off a 2012 Camry in 19 months. Right now I have a 2014 Camry I'm about to pay off. But because of COVID, I'm sort of redirecting some of my money. So I may not be able to pay it off as quick as I wanted it to pay off. So I have that going on right now. So you're thinking to yourself, well, those are the two things I have that we're working on getting covered. But I want you to say, watching those videos, that's not going to help you. What I want you to do with those videos, I wanted to build your confidence. Just say, hey man, he paid off a $27,000 car loan in 19 months, or man, he had a student loan that's what, $94,117 that's paid off down to $26,200. You should be asking, hey, how can I get connected with that guy? Just think, if you have a credit card that's $30,000, and you said, man, Martin, if I could just get this card paid down half, that would free up some extra money for me to work on some investments. That's just a dog barking at the sprinkler. Like I said, the man's working out. The dog's barking at the water sprinklers, and he's running through the water. Grown man, what can you do? COVID has made wimps out of men. So, but that's what you should be saying. How can you get connected to me? Hey Martin, even if I gotta pay you $300, $400, $500 just to take one of your courses to help me pay off a $30,000, $40,000 loan, or just get you started, do you think that would be worth it? Come on, man. Right now, do you know 76% of people live paycheck to paycheck? 60% of people don't even have money in a savings account. Now, do you think if you could work with me and we'll help you get just get that loan paid off just a little, where you can get that loan paid off just a little, where you have a little extra money in savings so you can handle an emergency? Now, wouldn't that be worth it? That's what we work with my programs. And if you follow my other program, see what I'm talking about. One thing I do stress is gambling is going to be the gold rush of the future. So that's the only free money people love. People spend money on pleasure, so you can get them to spend money on, hey, why don't you spend money on this football game? Why don't you spend money on this fantasy game? And hey, we'll give you a drink to boot. People will do it. Watch, they're gonna do it. Gambling is the gold rush of the future. That's why I also have my blackjack retirement program, because I told you, hey, say I have $150,000 in a retirement account, and interest rate is 1%. You know, all you get at 1% interest in a bank account is $1,000. That's about 1 or 2 months worth of groceries. Okay, maybe 3 months worth of groceries, or 4 months, depending on if you. I just passed the grocery outlet that used to be at Staples. That's one of those places you go to, you buy your food, and they make you put it in the bag. You bag your own food. I remember my grandmother and I used to go to Superior in LA. You would think you were getting the deal. Lines are long. Food is okay. But by the time you spend 20, 30 minutes in line, bagging your own food, taking it to the car, passing through the parking lot, hey brother, can I get $1? Can I get $1? She's like, fuck this shit. Can I just go to a regular supermarket like a Vons, where they bag my groceries, they help me out, they make sure they take care of me? Can I just get that? So I think that there was a Ralph's that I would go to sometimes. So that'd be a place I'd also go. So most popular videos you guys have been watching is paying off your car loan quicker. The reason I want you to pay off the car loan is that's a lot of money. Do you know the average new car loan is $559 over 72 months? Do you know the average used car loan is $354 over 60 months? Just think if you could reduce those payments by just a couple of months. I'm not even trying, not going to save money. You've already committed to make the payments on a loan. But hell, if you're in it, what is it? Is it in for a penny? In for a dollar? Go all in, get it paid off, get that loan off. That's all you guys are watching. That car loan started eating to that ass. I know, I've been there, man. I had a 2007 BMW, man. Payments were about, I think it was $459 a month. And then you just ain't gonna get regular insurance. You ain't gonna go to no Karen. You ain't gonna go to no Adriana. You gonna pay some insurance money. So you're looking at least a good between $150, $200 for insurance, depending on what type of car you have. And so, and don't have an accident, or don't get a speeding ticket, because you know it's gonna go up. So I'm sure that I've seen a lot of Audis and Beamers, Mercedes. So I'm sure probably they get you a deal, man. I got a deal. So you got $359 a month got a $359 a month payment. Thinking I got a deal, turn around, got to pay $200 for the insurance, and we haven't even talked about the maintenance fees yet. Remember, you take your car to that dealer, you don't have to, once you take that car to the dealer, you're looking at least $150. Oh, we'll charge you $150 to check it out, or we'll come back and deduct that and do the repair. So you're gonna at least pay like a good $200. So I see a lot of these. I was driving the other day, I heard like this, see these Mercedes and these Audis, everything's squeaking. Hey, fix those brakes and those tires. Oh, back in 2007, I think I had the car about 6 years. 2013, I was paying $109 for those Falcons. But the problem with those high performance cars is it just eat up the thread. So you're gonna at least pay $1,000. You should pay at least $1,000 a year for the cars, tires, but people don't. So they end up there's just no shortcut. So I know you guys are watching that video. Okay, what kind of tips can Martin give me to pay off my car loan faster? 75, 125, $200 programs. That's what I can do. There's no shortcut, man. Were you in probate with your family members who weren't paying their loan, paying a loan on a house that went into probate? Or were you having to pay $19,107 to the State Welfare Commission? No. So that's why I'm saying, just watching those videos to help you build confidence, but it's not going to give you the skills that you need. So today I'm just telling you, hey, will it really hurt to pay your bills? We just got this generation of people who don't want to pay bills. I was there, but the reason you pay bills, you don't pay bills to make the other to reduce the loan. Basically, you're paying the bill to be, you're fulfilling a contract with yourself, because you said, hey, I'm going to pay this amount of money for this product, and I'm going to commit to it. So every time you pay it, you're recommitting, like, hey, I can make a commitment. It's not a commitment to them. I don't care if they can charge off the account. I ain't do anything to the account, but you can't charge out that account to yourself. That's why I had to pay down that student loan. I was back then, I was fat, drinking all the time, because I wasn't making a commitment. I knew deep down, hey, you know what? I'm not doing what I said I would do, and I was punishing myself. Will you punish yourself worse than any bill collector cussing you out, threatening you? So, for years you were looking at the student loan, March 2017, it was about $78,500. Now it's down to $26,900. And if you want to know, like, hey, how much have I gotten my new car paid down? I bought a 2014 Camry. Oh, the original loan was about $21,000. Now that loan is down to about $6,800 as of today. I'm trying to pay it off. My goal was to pay it off in 36 months, but because of COVID and everything, I wanted to have a little cash reserve, because you see, ain't no more stimulus money coming. And, hey, what happens if the Supreme Court invalidates the presidential election? It could happen. Trust me, it can happen. Then what happens? Ain't no money coming. Even if Biden gets in, ain't no money coming no way for months and months. All he has is a mask mandate. You can't take masks to the store. I can't take this mask and buy food. I can't say, hello, sir, I have 5 masks. May I please have some food? There you go, brother. You better get your ass up out of here before I call 911 and you get some sheriff will haul you out of here. So, I know you guys are watching those videos. You're trying to build the confidence, take some of those skills I use them, but then you got to pay. This is a pay-to-play world. You got to pay to get access. That's one thing I learned from Grant Cardone. Pay to get access to people who know what you don't want to know. It's tough out there, man. Look at this whole generation of kids. Online college, online high school. What I mean, unless their parents are really solid, financially, spiritual, mental-wise, what's going to happen to these kids, man? These kids are going to go off and have kids, do all kind of bizarre shit. Vaping, weed, living in Oregon. Hey, heroin's illegal, man. The government says, take all those drugs, man. Take as many drugs as you want. You're OD, maybe you'll kill yourself, and we don't have to pay out no money. So that's what you got going on right now. So subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get 100,000. Shout out to Jesse Hayward, man. Join the channel. He's helping us get to that 100,000. Do you want to help us? If you help me, you help you. I know you guys don't like to pay. You're like, oh, I don't want to help people with money. I won't wait for Biden and Kamala Harris to help me out. They ain't gonna help you out, man. They only gonna help themselves. So that's what we're working on right now. So I kind of went too long, but today my emphasis is student loan. Number 1, pay off your student loans, man. Watch my videos, sign up for my $200 student loan program, deluxe program. The goal is not even to pay it off. The goal is to build confidence paying it. I got my $250 deluxe car repayment program. Get on that program, man. Get on that program. Also, for those of you who are retiring, I have my Blackjack retirement program. Get on that one too, man. For that one, you got a $500 package. And you don't have to even you don't have to even follow what I say. You can go on, do it on your own, and go to Vegas. You don't have to come to the downtown Grand with us. You can go learn these skills yourself. So, student loan, pay your student loan, pay your car loan quicker. You don't want to keep no car loan for no 72 months. We have a Blackjack retirement program, $500. Get on that program, man. Let that program help you out. And I've gone too long. And just subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like. Make sure you're getting the latest on what we have to offer to help you get more money. And remember, in 2021, the gold rush of the future will begin.